Hello, this is Kaylee Gonzalez. I'm with MLC CAD Systems. I have a quick tech tip for you today regarding how to explode notes from within the SOLIDWORKS inspection add-in software. What we have on my screen is a block of notes that has already been successfully ballooned and exploded. However, when we take a look at the line items associated with this balloon, we notice that this first row doesn't really have any useful information for us, and we want to get rid of it. Inside of inspection, we can use a shift click to select multiple characteristics at the same time, and a right click will now give me access to my Explode Note Dialog box. This dialog box gives us a lot of flexibility in how we can further explode specific line items, add rows, and also delete rows as well. So once we've deleted that first row, I can click Save, and that line item is now no longer present in our inspection report, and it will not be exported to my first article inspection report in Excel.